In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to record an audio file and add it, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on microphone 1 to start, and then tap on attach to add it to your message. If you want to add already existing file, use this plus at the bottom left corner instead. Hit Files. And to find it, which is a common question, hit Audio at the top and look for it here. Select one of those apps. Or, the most important tip, just tap on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources and locate your file. Finally, after tapping on it, wait for it. And then send it. If you want to add a video file, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. And either click on those two arrows in camera section to record a video, and after you will finish it, it will be automatically added, or click on the one you wish to attach. If you can't find it, select Photos, look for it here, and tap on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!